Greetings from the Pacific Ocean. I'm outside of Los Angeles, headed out on a deep sea fishing expedition. I wanted to show you guys the container ships that are stacked up, awaiting to be unloaded. There are dozens of them. And each container ship has thousands of containers waiting to be unloaded in the port of Los Angeles. There's a couple of them, Long Beach, LA, but the entire year they've been stacked up out here because the port was shut down for a number of different reasons off and on, and so they are backlogged. So I hope that's coming in on camera for you guys. I cannot zoom in apparently. We'll catch you on the next run. I'm going to go out and catch some grouper, some rockfish, and some sculpin. And who knows, maybe even a possible shark. Every once in a while you'll get a small shark on the line. So we'll catch you next time. Adios from the Pacific Ocean, Southern California coast.